I have BLACKVIEW A20 and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Now simply choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use this combination, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys and release all keys as soon as BLACKVIEW logo pops up. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, the factory mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume down. Let's scroll down to highlight clear eMMC and press power key to choose it. Now the device is formatting data, the phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. So let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just simply wait until the welcome panel pops up in front of you. Alright, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.